What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to talk to you about another incredible product. Now, recently, I spent time with our new concept home theater system, the HT-A9. And if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you click the link in the description. But you know, that's not what you're here for today. Clearly, you've taken this product home and now you want to know how to properly set it up. So hang out with me a little bit while we walk through the setup process of the HT-A9. Now, you would think that such an advanced home theater system would require a complex setup process. Au contraire, it is actually very easy. I'm going to start off with step one. First, once you're unboxing the product, you want to take the control box and place it as close to the TV where its front panel display won't be covered. The next step is to take the 4 speaker units and put them in their proper position in your room. On the bottom of the speakers, you'll find that there's a diagram for their proper placement. Front right, front left, rear right, and rear left. You can choose to have speaker units placed on a shelf or a stand, wall mounted, or a combination of both. Thanks to their advanced sound field optimization, the HT-A9 creates a wide, immersive listening area regardless of precise speaker positioning. Okay, but I gotta give you a pro tip. When positioning the speaker units, make sure that you're not placing them too close to the ceiling or in a location where there's something obstructing the top of the speaker units. This is because they have built-in upward firing speakers to deliver overhead effects for a more immersive surround sound. For any speakers you are wall mounting, just peel off the rear cover to access the mounting points. For detailed wall mounting instructions, make sure you give a glance at the instruction manual. Next, it's time to connect the control box to your television. You're going to do this by using the included HDMI cable. Now, on the control box, you want to plug the HDMI into the port labeled HDMI out. On your television, you want to look for the port labeled eARC or ARC. If you have a Sony television, this is most likely HDMI 3. Now, if you happen to have a compatible TV that supports our Acoustic Center Sync feature, like the X95J, A80J, A90J, or Z9J, connect the supplied TV center speaker cable to the S center speaker in jack on the television, and then also to the S center out jack on the control box. You can also connect another HDMI device, like a Blu-ray player or even a game console, to the HDMI in jack on the control box. Now it's time to get everything powered up. Connect the AC adapter to the control box and to an outlet. Make sure you also connect each speaker unit with the supplied AC cable to a nearby outlet. You can also tuck the power cable into the speaker's cable management for a clean setup. If you're using one of the optional wireless subwoofers, make sure you plug that in at this time. Using the supplied remote, turn on the audio system. Then turn on your TV with the TV remote. The HT-A9 will show a speaker connection check on screen, and all 4 speaker units will have a green LED indicator when they're connected. Now follow the steps on screen to set up the audio system. This also includes sound field optimization. This will tailor the HT-A9's surround sound to your living space, creating up to 12 phantom speakers to move sound seamlessly around you for immersive movies, shows, music, and gaming. Finally, configure your network settings to enable music streaming over your home network, as well as Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple AirPlay functionality. Once setup is complete, select Finish, and you're ready to enjoy your new home theater system. Another advantage of having a compatible Sony TV is that you can easily adjust common sound settings in your TV's quick settings menu. This includes the sound field, choosing voice enhancements, selecting night mode, or adjusting bass level. Otherwise, you can use the HT-A9's included remote control. All right, so now let's talk a little bit about troubleshooting. And if for some reason you're having any issues, let's see if we can resolve those now. If you're having issues with the HT-A9's connection, let's try these steps. Reset the control box by pressing and holding the power button on the back for 10 to 15 seconds. Doing this will return the settings to their initial status. Now, if one of your speaker units still isn't connected, let's try resetting that specific speaker unit using the same process we did before of holding down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. To finish this process, let's unplug that speaker for a few seconds and then plug it back in. Now, if the sound is skipping or you're hearing an unexpected noise, these few steps may resolve that. Try moving the control box away from your wireless router or other wireless devices. Sometimes wireless signals can interfere and cause issues like audio skipping. You may also want to change the settings in the HT-A9. I'd recommend going into the Setup menu, then Advanced Settings, select Speaker Settings, Wireless Speaker Settings, then Wireless Playback Quality, and select Connection. While you're in Wireless Playback Quality, also select RF channel and cycle it to off and then back on. Now, I hope these tips were helpful and you can now enjoy your HT-A9 to its fullest potential. Now, should you have any remaining issues or additional questions about the HT-A9, please feel free to reach out to our e-support team at the link in the description below. As always, it's your boy Larry with Sony, and I'll catch you next time.